Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you in WhatsApp a new feature where you can share a link where everyone can join to a video or a voice call. It's a new feature, so let's go to WhatsApp. I'm in Android and we will go to calls. So I'm clicking on calls and actually on top we see create call link. So let's click on it. Now we have a link that was created. We can choose the call type. Currently it's video, but if we click on it, we can see that we can choose between video or voice. So let's keep it video. And then we can actually share the link and send it to multiple people. So in this case, I can send the link through WhatsApp. I'll send it to a group that I belong. And you see I just sent it, and actually you see here a WhatsApp video call, and users can actually click on it, and now I can join, and all of the people in the meeting or in the call will be able to join. Let's do the same thing, sending actually a link for a voice. So I'll choose and change the call type to voice, and I'll send it again to my group, and you will see that a new link, WhatsApp voice call, use this link to join. So this is a new feature that came out in addition to the poll option. Let's just show you. I click on a paperclip. You see there's a poll here, and I can actually add a question. Let's do Q1, and I could say test 1 and test 2, and I can send it, and then the users can choose which answer they actually want, and you will see actually the results here. If I click on the vote, you will see actually who joined. What else do we have? We have communities. If you noticed, here is a community, and here is an example actually to the communities I belong. You click on new community, and then you can describe the name, and then you can assign the groups. So thank you for joining, and see you in the next episode.